Memory. The data and instructions that are entered into the computer using input devices are to be stored inside the memory. There are two types of memory. 1. Primary memory. 2. Secondary memory. Primary memory. This is the main memory of the computer. CPU can directly access this memory. It is fixed on the motherboard of the computer. Primary memory is further divided into two types. 1. Random access memory, RAM. 2. Read-only memory, ROM. Random access memory, RAM. RAM is a temporary memory. The information stored in this memory is lost when the computer is turned off. That's why it is also called volatile memory. It stores data and instructions given by the user and also the results produced by the computer temporarily. Types of RAM. 1. Dynamic RAM, DRAM. It requires continuous power to refresh the data stored. 2. Static RAM, SRAM. It also requires constant power to hold on to data, but it doesn't need to be continually refreshed the way DRAM does. However, SRAM is significantly faster and uses less power than DRAM. Read-only memory, ROM. Information stored in ROM is permanent in nature, that is, it holds the data even if the system is switched off. It holds the starting instructions that are required to start a computer. It is also called non-volatile memory. Secondary memory. This memory is permanent in nature and is not directly accessed by the CPU. It allows users to store data that may be easily retrieved. It is cheaper as compared to primary memory. Secondary memory devices are also called secondary storage devices. They are categorized into three types. Secondary storage devices: magnetic disk, optical disk, flash drive. Magnetic disk, hard disk. Optical disk, CD, DVD, Blu-ray disc. Flash drive, pen drive, memory card. Magnetic disk. A device such as a hard disk is covered with a magnetic coating. You can record and erase data on a magnetic disk any number of times. Hard disk. The hard disk consists of one or more magnetic disks called platters. Each disk in the pack has top and bottom surfaces on which data is recorded using magnetic head. It is permanently fixed in the computer system. It is usually used for permanent mass storage. The most important function of the hard disk is to store program files and data files. The hard disk comes in a variety of sizes with storage capacities as high as 5 TB, terabyte, or even more. The CPU accesses data stored on a hard disk much faster than it can access data on a CD. External hard disks are also available. They are the hard disks that can be connected to any computer with the help of USB port. Optical disk. An optical disk is an electronic data storage medium that can be written to and read using a low-powered laser beam. Compact disk, CD. The CD drive reads information stored on a compact disk, CD. CD is an external storage device. The lifespan of optical disk is more than a magnetic disk. It can hold up to 700 MB of data. CD drive is usually connected inside the CPU box but can also be connected using USB port. Types of CDs. 1. CD-ROM, compact disc read-only memory. A CD-ROM is a CD containing data which has been written at the time of manufacturing. The data cannot be modified or erased. 2. CDR, compact disc recordable. A CDR can be used to write data by the user only once. This data cannot be changed or erased. 3. CDRW, Compact Disc Rewritable. A CDRW can be used to write data again and again. The data can be erased and modified as many times as required. Digital Versatile or Video Disc, DVD. DVDs are now widely used in computers. They have now become a popular medium for storing information and video. The DVD is almost similar to a CD. Even the working is also similar. The only difference is that it can hold more information than a CD. DVDs are widely used for storing and viewing movies and other data. Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc is an optical disc. It is used for storing large amount of data and playing videos. The main difference between DVDs and Blu-ray discs is storage capacity. Flash drive. The flash drive is a small portable data storage device integrated with a USB, Universal Serial Bus connector. Pen drive. It acts as a portable hard drive and is easy to use as it is small and can be carried in a pocket and plugged into any computer with a USB drive. Pen drive has storage capacity of up to 1 TB. Memory card. It is commonly known as multimedia memory card. It is very small in size, usually 1 to 1.5 inches. These are used in mobile phones and digital cameras. You need to have card reader to read stored data on memory card.